स्टार्ट करो रिकॉर्डिंग और ओके माइक म्यूट करो. Start now.
Yes, sir. First of all, good morning, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present my project. I am Amit Gore, pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Stream. My project name is Study on Suitability of Different Alternatives to the River Sand in Mortar. There are 5 members in my project group, including me. The group members are Satyajit Gaurav, Shivanand Ganga, Santosh Dole, and Sushant Shinde. The main purpose of our project is to reduce the excessive use of river sand in construction, because nowadays river sand is becoming scarce due to its enormous requirement and use. Main source of natural sand are rivers, which are causing erosion, and also aquatic life is also affected by rivers which are being eroded. The present investigation on alternatives to river sand aims towards a sustainable approach.
What has happened?
Hello. I think lost connection.
Other anybody from the remaining students can continue. Anybody from remaining, you can continue the session now. We will join once we got the range, but till continue the session. सर कौन कौन है आपके ग्रुप में? नाम क्या है स्टूडेंट्स के? सत्यजीत गुरु, सुशांत शिंदे, हाँ कंटिन्यू, संतोष डोले.
शिंदे तर अमितला फोन करून विचार.
Sir, shall we repeat your group once again tomorrow or in the evening? What is there? I don't know if they are not prepared or why they are not giving the presentation.
Just he joined, now he'll start.
So there is a network issue in our village.
No, but my question is, only you are the student who is going to present, or what the others are doing then?
No, sir, I
will not give.
I'm just introducing you a project, our project. Now, Yes, we will.
Start now.
Yes,
Share the screen and start now.
yes, sir. Yes. Sir, where am I last?
And presentation चालू करा ते.
Yes, sir. Basically, our main purpose of our project is to reduce
First
the.
on the presentation, press F5 or whatever the
Yes, sir.
thing. Slide show on करा ना तुम्ही, नुसतं तसंच ठेवलंय. हा, now start.
Yes, yes, sir.
हा.
Sir, the main purpose of our project is to reduce the excessive use of sand in construction because nowadays river sand is becoming a scarce due to its enormous requirement and use. Main source of our natural sand are rivers, which are causing erosion, and also aquatic life is also affected by rivers which are being eroded. The present investigation on alternatives to river sand aims to a sustainable approach. Excessive in-stream sand and gravel mining causes the degradation of river. In-stream mining lowers the stream bottom, which may lead to bank erosion. The effect of mining is compounded by the effect of sea level rise. Hence, we need to have alternative option for river sand. Also, we have to keep in mind that alternative options should achieve high strength, gain greater workability, avoid construction defects, and reduce economy of construction. There are many alternatives to the river sand like manufactured sand, filter sand, dune sand, offshore sand, and slag sand. Also, there are some tests to know that is alternative sand is effective or not. There are some tests like flow table test, compressive strength, tensile strength test, flexural strength test, etc. The advantage of the advantages of alternative sands are like it does not have the impurities such as clay, dust, silt, coatings, increase water requirement of river sand due to impaired bond between cement paste and aggregate. So in last, we have conclusion that based on the experimental investigation on the alternative sands that the alternative sand can achieve greater strength and properties and it can be a best replacement to the river sand. Now Satyajit Guru will continue in depth. He will explain.
Yes, myself Satyajit Guru. I will explain scope of the study. Amit, scope of the study in which we will basically focusing on the what is the alternate sand for river sand. In which first one is the scarcity of the natural sand evolved to find the various alternatives research on which alternatives are taking place around the world to explore their suitability as fine aggregate to the protest against the illegal mining. The various foundations and government organization has created the awareness in public mind, and the best way to minimize the scarcity of the river sand is to discourage the use of various applications. The study explores the suitability of these alternatives, fine aggregates, and the application of machinery mortar. Further, the optimum percentage of replacement of these alternatives is also examined. Also, the behavior of the brick machinery made up of mortar with the optimum percentage of replacement is investigated. The result obtained from these studies are compared with the reverse, and the possible outcome percentage investigation is determined the suitability of the river sand in brick masonry. Now, necessity of ultrasound. In this, we will see what is the necessity. In this first one is extracting a river sand from the river. Extracting river sand from the river is harmful to the environment to reduce the groundwater level, and river water get dried up. The second one is water level get reduced due to dragging up the sand from the river. Roots of the tree may not be able to get the water from the groundwater table. Third one is it is recommended to use the crushed sand. It is economical and eco-friendly alternate of the river sand. And the last one is the crushed sand can be used in construction for all except plaster and waterproofing, and for bedding of stones. For hardscape work, 50% M sand and 50% river sand is used for better result. Now Shivanand Ganga will continue.
I am Shivanand.
Shivanand.
I will explain review of literature and method and material. First B.V. Vivek Verma Reddy, he examined the suitability of manufactured sand as a fine aggregate in a concrete and mortar. For the investigation, manufactured sand sample was supplied by Department of Mines and Geology. One river sand sample was used in a study both the fresh and hardened properties of
1 minute,
mortar
1
were.
minute. Share the screen again. We are not able to see the presentation.
स्क्रीन शेअर करा. कोण आहे? अमित. गंगा. अमितच निघून गेलाय, ते नेटवर्क मध्ये नाही गेले.
The study on physical properties of manufactured sand as shown in sample selected for investigation is having similar property as the river sand.
जरा जोरात बोललास.
And the compressive. Okay, sir. The compressive strength of mortar made with the manufactured sand has a higher compared to the river sand mortar. Manufactured sand shows a higher compressive strength and modulus for machinery as compared with the machinery made with river sand. Concrete of grade M20 and M30 made of manufactured sand has shown 6 to 9% increase in the compressive strength compared to the concrete made by the natural sand. The second one is Priyanka A. Jadhav and Dilip K. Kulkarni. Both studied the hardened properties of mortar made with manufactured sand and mortar mix varying percentage replacement 0%, 50% and 100% of river sand were used. Above mentioned the mortar mixtures were prepared with the cement ratio 0.5 and 0.55. There was a marginal increase of compressive strength. Manufactured sand as compared to the mortar prepared with the normal sand. Among the mentioned of mixes, the compressive strength obtained for 50% of the replacement and the mortar mix of 1:2 with the water cement ratio of 0.5. Third one, J. Silva, J. Brito, and Viga studied the properties of red clay and ceramic waste collected from the brick factory. In the investigation, compressive and flexural strength of the mortar produced about 0, 20, 50, and 100% replacement values. Both the fresh hardened properties mixes were determined different period of the time, and its results is a replacement of 20% of improved value by the 12% and increase water permeability coefficient by 16%. And fourth, Vidyasagar investigated on the flexural strength of the brick masonry for the brick prism size of 350 into 230 into 750 mm was considered, and basic tests were performed. And fifth one is Prakash K. He was studied and properties of machinery with concrete crushed aggregate in the cement mortar, and its result gives the flexure bond strength brick prism was performed using modified bond rest test setup. And now material and methodology used for study of suitability of river sand. Material: manufactured sand. Manufactured sand is a substitute of river sand of concrete construction. Manufactured sand produced from hard granite stone by crushing. The crushed sand is cubical shape with the grounded edges washed and graded. Construction material with the size of manufactured sand is less than 4.75 mm. Manufactured sand is the alternative for river sand due to the fast growing construction industry. The demand for sand has increased tremendously, causing deficiency of suitable river
Wait,
sand.
wait, 1 minute. 1 minute. Have you copied down the report as it is into the slide? There are no pointers. You are just reading the paragraphs and paragraphs and paragraphs. That paragraph we can also read also what is there in the slide now. Then what are you explaining about it? So note down this correction. In the PowerPoint presentation, there should be always pointers. Paragraph should not be there. Okay. 3, 4
Okay,
lines, 5 lines, I can
Ah.
understand. But if you see here in the materials, manufactured M sand, 3 paragraphs are there. As it is, you have copied down the paragraphs. Instead of these 3 paragraphs, you can write 3 pointers and you can explain those. Okay. Don't read it
Okay, sir.
just like that. Just explain us the points.
Okay, sir.
Continue.
River sand. This sand is occurring by the finely divided rock particles. It is defined as size being finer than gravel and coarser than silt. It containing more than 85% size particles by mass. Filter sand. Filter sand is obtained by washing sandy soil. Due to scarcity of natural sand, it is becoming popular day by day. Quality of sand need ensured before use because of manual washing of sand and total clay content present in the sand should be less than 1%. Now Santosh Dole explain the test and methodology.
Good morning to all of you. I am Santosh. As per Indian standard, conduct the test on machinery mortar. How we can conduct this test? There are the 4 methods or 4 tests are there. First one is a flow table test. Second one is compressive strength. Third one is a flexural strength. Fourth one is a tensile strength. The first we conducted a test is a flow table test. It is a determine the consistency machinery mortar. It is used as per Indian standard 2250-19823. How we can conduct the test? Mold place on firstly mold place on a flow table in which cement mortar is filled in 2 layers. each layer 10 times we tamped Excel mortar above the mold is cleared with a paddle nib. Then after by using the cloth clean the mold. After 15 seconds remove the mold. The float table is altered 25 times in a 15 seconds. Spread mortar is noted in two directions, which is perpendicular to each other. Above procedure is repeat. Till now flow value of 100 to 115% in between is obtained. And obtain the above the flow value is calculating water cement ratio of mortar mix. And second test is compressive strength. As per we used the India Standard Code 2250198123 standardly. Carried the test mold size is 70.6 into 70.6 into 70.6 mm used. Cement mortar mixed with known quantity of water by flow test for respective replacement of that. Mold fill in 2 layers by tamping 25 times for each layer. Must take care of uniform tamping as so avoid the segregation of mortar mix. Success the stuck of and mortar level with trowel. Once the specimen is cast, then kept for curing in place in which is free from vibration and temperature at 27. Specimen curing for 28 days and after take out the from the curing tank and test immediately. All loose material sides of specimen can be remove and test carry on compressive strength machine of 3000 kilonewton capacity. Specimen placed in test machine in such way that load is applied on opposite side of specimen cast. Failure load is noted. Then calculate the compressive strength of masonry mortar. As the formula of compressive strength is equal to load into area. Load divided by area. Then after third test we conducted as per India standard, that's tensile strength. Tensile strength of a mortar made up alternative with very professional to determine by using BRITIQ as per ASTM-C 030724. Lever arm test apparatus used for the load briquette specimen with lever arm ratio 40. Lead shot used to balance the lever arm, which is placed inside measuring jar. BRITIQ specimen is a firm placed from shot are released from top and amount of lead shot collected at the measuring jar are weighted and tensile strength will be calculated by formula P into LA divided by area. That's the P is the ultimate strength and LA is the lever arm ratio. That is we taken as 14. And last one test is conducted as per India standard, that is a flexural strength. Is carried out as per India standard 10078 198225. Valued the strength beam. The specimen value specimen size is 160 into 40 into 40 mm by using CBR testing machine by applying the 3-point load concept. Then after we take 2 rollers at bottom surface of specimen. There will be a distance between 2 rollers is a 3/4 of length of specimen. Then after roller for top surface is placed at mid span of specimen length. Ultimate load is specimen is fail. The value of that is note down. Then flexural strength is calculated. That's formula is by F is equal to 3PL divided by 2BD square. And some advantages of masonry mortar. It is well graded in required portion. It does not contain organic and soluble compound that affect the setting time and of that properties of cement. It does not the presence impurities such as clay, dust, silt, sp particle, and etc. Manufacturing sand is obtained from specific hard rock using state art of international technology. Property of sand is obtained. Now, Susha Shinde will be continue.
Good afternoon. I am Sushant Shinde. Conclusion. Based on the experimental investigation carried on the three alternative, namely M sand, manufactured in aggregate, manufacturing plant, slag sand, industrial by product from steel plant, and C&D waste, recycled fine aggregate, the following conclusion can be drawn. First one is sieve analysis on all three alternatives has shown that it can categorize under zone 2 sand as per Indian standard codal provision. Second, specific gravity of all the three alternatives are lower than natural sand. The same is reported in literature review. Then water absorption is exhibited by the M sand and slag sand is around 2%. C&D waste has shown 6%, similar to the past research findings. These being due to the presence of other mortar around the particles. Then the loose and roded densities of the slag, sand and C&D waste are lower, while M sand has shown high value when compared with the density value of natural sand. Then bulking properties, a measure of water absorbing capacity by the sand particle, are comparable with the natural aggregate. However, M sand has shown 63% bulking. Then references, Indian Standard 1905, 1987 Indian Standard Code of Practice for Structural Use of Unreinforced Masonry, Bureau of Indian Standard, New Delhi. Then second, B.V. Venkataraman Reddy, Suitability of Manufacturing Sand, M sand, as fine aggregate is mortar and concrete, CSI project sponsored by Department of Mine and Geology, Government of Karnataka, July 2011. Then third, HMA Mehjuz A. Yusuf, use of stone powder in concrete and mortar as an alternative of sand. African Journal of Environmental Science and Technology, Volume 5, May 2011, pp 381 to 388. Then fourth, Priyanka A. Jadhav, Dilip K. Kulkarni, effect of replacement of natural sand by manufacturing sand on the properties of cement mortar, International Journal of Civil and Structural Engineering, Volume 3, Number 3, 2013. Then last is Leonardo F.R. Miranda, Camila S. Castino, Carla R. Monich, and Antonia A. D. Emnito, use of recycled sand produce and construction site in bending mortar, American Society of the Civil Engineering Library, 2013. Then after that, Amit Gore tell about the paper published and share the paper.
Sir, we are also going to publish one research paper on the manufacturers, and the paper is like this. This is our paper we are going to publish on 24th and 25th June. Out of various alternative sands, M-sand is have higher strength and workability as compared to other sands.
Show us the published copy. This is just a rough copy in the world, no? Where it is published, or it is still in not published?
Yes, sir.
It
We
is
are
to be
going to
presented
publish
in international conference on 24th.
Amit, next PDF.
So is there any certificate of participation in the conference? Have you got anything?
Acceptance we got, sir. We are presenting
Yes,
on
sir.
24th.
Okay,
Acceptance.
okay. So in this presentation, now why are you stop the screen sharing on the presentation? 2-3 points are there that corrections you should make. First and most important thing is that here in the presentation you have put the paragraphs. So paragraphs should not be there in the presentation, only pointers should be there. Paragraph only, you should put paragraph only when it is very necessary.
Entire
Okay.
PPT should be changed.
Okay, sir.
Entire PPT you change entire PPT. Just you have from the thesis you have copied the things. It is not. I mean, the thing is whatever the main points are there, those things only you add and you explain it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And the second thing is your study is very less. I think you are just reading the things. Now, whatever paragraphs you have read it now, if I ask you to read it and let us tell the meaning of it, nobody from you will 100% tell us the meaning. So your study, you are not done the proper study on this. You are just reading. While reading it, reflect to the person who is judging you that you have not done the sufficient homework about your project. Okay. The third thing is you have included the bar charts, that is graphs are there. You have not explained those graphs. What is there on x-axis, what is there on y-axis, which bar represents which thing, that things are not explained. Then if you don't want to explain, then why you have put that in your presentation? Are you getting the things, whatever I am telling you? These are the corrections you need to do before your final presentation. And
Okay, sir.
also make sure that each and everybody will speak. I have
Okay,
not
sir.
noticed Santosh Dole, what he has speak about in this presentation. Santosh, are you able to hear me?
Test conducted, sir.
Now in that test conducted, you should tell that test conducted in short, and pointer should be there in your PowerPoint presentation. You have copied down the entire procedure of the test in there, in that slide. So it should not be the thing like that. You should tell us from which IS code you have referred which IS code, then diagram of the test, and then some key points should be there
Okay, sir.
of that test. And the rest of the procedure, you shall have to explain it by your own. Okay.
Okay,
It is
sir.
not expected that you are copy down. म्हणजे तुम्ही आज काय केलंय, तुम्ही कॉपी केलेत पॅराग्राफ आणि नुसतं वाचून काढलेत, असं इम्प्रेशन पडतंय समोरच्यावरती. दॅट इज द इम्प्रेशन which we are getting from your presentation. Your topic is very good, your project is also very nice, but your homework, that you are not done proper homework of your project. So still 4-5 days are there with you. Do the proper study, and in the final presentation do these corrections and present it properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
sir.
The
sir.
last thing
Yes,
from
sir.
my side is, while you are reading the literature review, okay, you are telling the names of the author, their year, publication year, and the name of the journal. After that, in 1 or 2 lines, you should say that what part of their paper you are including in your project. Okay. So, or you should at least able to tell the conclusion of their paper, what they have concluded in 1 or 2 lines. These authors have done this and this study, and they said this and this. This much thing is expected in literature review. There is no need to
Okay.
copy down the paragraphs and paragraphs and you are just reading that. It is not expected. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting my points, or shall I repeat it in Marathi for literature review? What you have to do?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you got the points? So
Yes, sir.
these all points are for your
Yes, sir.
improvement. So these all points are your improvement. Take it very positively and make the corrections in your presentations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it from my side. Deshmukh sir, that's it from my side.
Okay, no problems. Others, anybody, any staff members would like to ask questions? Okay, sir, let me stop here. Shall I stop?
Yes, sir.
Questions are, if no questions are there, then we can stop. Next group is of Patil madam. Patil madam, please share the link. Okay. So we stop over here now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.